Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will react on the most beautiful two country traditional dance. The first one is
It is attan. It means attan.
attan, and the second one is the Turkey traditional dance. Which one was the better? You will decide on the part of comment section. So first one is Afghani. Let's see what we have. Now the second one is Turkish dance. Yeah, let's jump on it. This is the end of our video. Hope you like and enjoy from it, and I will see you in my next video. Just don't forget to subscribe and like the video, that I bring more beautiful video to you. For now, bye bye.